I bet you have a ton of cool feature ideas for your product. But how do you know which features have a real impact on your business success? I mean, you don't want to waste your time and money on features that bring you no results. In this video, I will show you how you can effectively prioritize your feature ideas with one of the most powerful frameworks in product management, the Kano Model. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to Design with Value, where I will help you build a successful business with powerful strategies, marketing, and design. My name is Oscar, pumped to hang out with you today. I hope you're well. When you're building a new product, you probably have a ton of great feature ideas, but not all of your feature ideas have an impact on your business success. So what do? Just gamble? Roll the dice? No, you need a framework. And this is where the Kano model comes in. The Kano model was developed by Dr. Noriaki Kano, professor at Tokyo University of Science. And it has become one of the most powerful frameworks in product management because it answers two important questions. Which features affect our business success? Which features should we implement? And which ones should we scrap? The framework is super simple. You brainstorm your feature ideas, do customer interviews, put the results in the Kano model evaluation table, prioritize your features, and then implement the features and monitor the results. Before I show you how you can use the framework step by step, you need to understand that not all features are the same. There are different feature types, different feature categories. Let's take a look. Must-have or basic features. Must-have or basic features are the features that meet the basic expectations of your users. If you don't have them, or if they are poorly executed, your customers will be unhappy. For example, if you launch a new mobile phone that has no camera, no one will buy it. Performance features determine how well your service or your product does its job. They increase customer satisfaction based on their execution. The better the execution, the happier the customer. A good example of a performance feature is phone storage. More phone storage means more customer satisfaction. Attractive features or excitement features. These are features that will positively surprise your users and help you stand out from the crowd. The interesting thing is that if they are missing, your customers won't be unhappy because they weren't expecting them in the first place. Indifferent features don't add to or detract from the experience. Your customers really don't care about them, which means you should focus your energy elsewhere. This is an important concept to understand. Reverse features are features that annoy users. If you have reverse features, it brings dissatisfaction. If you don't have reverse features, it brings joy. So you should avoid them at all costs. And then we have the questionable section. This category is for features where you have unclear results from your interviews. Okay, so now that you know the different feature types, let me show you how you can use the Kano model step by step. Hey friends, we get back to the episode in just a second, but I wanted to give you a gift for hanging out with me today. I want to give you my 3 powerful worksheets for your business success. These are 3 worksheets that will help you improve your growth funnel right now. It does not matter if you are just starting out or if your business is already established. You will learn the best frameworks to accelerate your growth, the important metrics you need to measure your success, how you can improve those metrics, and the best marketing channels to get new customers. You will be able to take massive action towards building a business that you love. Now, these are PDFs, they are fast, they are easy, so it won't take you a lot of time. It's more about taking action and doing the right things in the right order. So go to designwithvalue.com/gift and download your free worksheets right now. It's designwithvalue.com/gift. Now back to the episode. The first step is to make a list of potential features for your product. So you collect them in an Excel spreadsheet. If you don't have a list of feature ideas, you can always brainstorm with your team, or you could get some ideas by interviewing customers or analyzing the competition. Do customer interviews. Once you have your list of potential features, you need to do some customer interviews. So you show each feature idea to your interviewees and ask them 2 questions. Dear customer, how will you feel if this feature is implemented? And secondly, you would ask them, dear customer, how would you feel if the feature was not implemented? Customers will then choose one of the following answers. I like it, I expect it, I'm neutral, I can tolerate it, or I dislike it. So you ask your interviewees these questions with all the different feature ideas you have. Once you have your answers, match the results to the Kano evaluation table. Here you can see it. It looks more complicated than it is, so don't worry about it. The evaluation table is here to show you, based on the interview answers, what kind of feature it is. Each letter represents one of these feature categories. So let's make an example. Let's say you have a meditation app and you want to implement relaxation tips. If your interview partner said they would like to see relaxation tips and could live with it if it wasn't implemented, it's an excitement feature. If they said they liked it if it was implemented and disliked it if it wasn't implemented, it's a performance feature. Once you know how your customers responded to each feature, you can prioritize them for your development team and create a roadmap. But which features should you prioritize? Here is the golden rule. I recommend you screenshot this. Implement all the must-have features. Make sure your performance features are well executed and that you have added excitement features to create customer loyalty. Avoid indifferent features and reverse features at all costs. And now that we have done everything else, it's time to implement and monitor. I recommend that you monitor customer satisfaction and retention in particular. For example, you could measure customer satisfaction through an NPS survey or simply by gathering customer feedback directly. And this is the Kano model. You brainstorm ideas, ask your customers, rank your features, develop them, and then you measure your results. Now, this all might sound a lot, but trust me, once you have done it once or twice, you will see that it is pretty straightforward. Hey, one more thing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more pro tips on how to build a successful business. And also check out these videos for more powerful business frameworks and strategies. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.